Hello everyone, here is Meenakshi Sinha from Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha. कंपटीशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्वेश्चन लेके आई हूँ. देखने में आसान लग रहा है. x minus 3 whole to the power 4 is equal to 16. Find the value of x. बड़े आसानी से इसको निकाला जा सकता है. इसको ये कह सकते हैं x minus 3 whole to the power 4 is equal to 16. It means it can be written as x minus 3 whole to the power 4 can be written as 2 to the power 4. It means x minus 3 is equal to 2. It means x is equal to 5. बहुत आसान था. Very easy. It was not of competitive type. लेकिन है क्योंकि यहाँ पावर 4 है. x की कम से कम 4 वैल्यूज आएंगी ही आएंगी, चाहे वो 0 ही हो. एक वैल्यू आपने निकाल ली इस इजी गोइंग मेथड से, अभी 3 वैल्यूज और बाकी हैं. वो कैसे निकाली जाए देखिए. इसके लिए क्या करेंगे, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं x minus 3 whole square to the power 2 minus 16 is equal to 0. लिख सकते हैं, कोई परेशानी नहीं. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. फिर से इसको लिख सकते हैं ब्रैकेट के अंदर x minus 3 होल स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर -4 होल स्क्वायर. अब हमें ये लग रहा है if we consider this, if we consider x minus 3 as in the formula, ये लग रहा है a square minus b square. This can be written as a minus b into a plus b. This is well known to us. So that using this formula, we can write it as x minus 3 whole square plus 4 x minus 3 whole square minus 4 is equal to 0. In place of a, we are using x minus 3. In place of 3, we are using 4. In place of b, we are using 4. In place of a, x minus 3. In place of b, we are using 4. We can write it as. Now, the product of these two terms is equal to 0. It means either this 0 or this 0. Case first, where x minus 3 whole to the power 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay? Case first ये लिखते हैं, ये वाला लिखते हैं. This is the case first. x minus 3 whole square minus 4 is equal to 0. Then x minus 3 whole square, this can be written as 4. It means root ले लो. Then x minus 3, after taking the root, it can be written as plus minus 2. X is equal to plus minus 2. It means x will be equal to plus 2 if we are taking into consideration, minus 3 in plus 3, that is equal to 5. First case. Second position, if x is equal to minus 2 plus 3, that is 1. It means from this portion we are getting two values of x, that is x is equal to two values of x, that is x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 1. For case first, x minus इस case के लिए. For this case, we are having two values of x. Now this case is required. This one. Case second. This one. x minus 3 whole square. Second case, plus 4 is equal to 0. ये अगर 0 है तब क्या करेंगे? x minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 4. x minus 3 whole रूट ले लें इसका, रूट ऑफ -4. अब रूट ऑफ -4 कैसे लिया, यही आपको नोट करना है. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज रूट ऑफ -1 into root of 4. Root of -1. This is known as I. I is the complex number. Root of -1 is written as I, which is the complex number. Then complex number, it means in place of -1 root we can write I, simply I. This will be equal to root 4 is equal to plus minus 2 into I, as per this condition. ठीक है, it means we are having x minus 3 is equal to plus minus 2 into I. I is the complex. इसमें फिर से केस 1 हो गया. केस नंबर 1, if x minus 3 is equal to plus 2I, then x will be equal to 3 plus 2I. Case second, if x minus 3 is equal to minus 2I, it means x will be equal to plus 3 minus 2I. These are the 4 values. Case 2 में 2 values मिली और case 2 में 2 value मिली. It means we are having 2. X is equal to 3 plus minus 2I. ये 2 values हो गए और 2 वैल्यू 0. कुल मिला के 4 values. This is the answer. X is equal to what? X is equal to 5. X is equal to 3 plus 2I. X is equal to 3 minus 2I. These are the 4 values of this equation. Okay? एंजॉय किया होगा मैथ्स को, जहाँ तक मैं समझती हूँ. कीप इन टच विद मी. अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन सीखिए, IQ बढ़ाइए, कंपटीशन की तैयारी कीजिए. ऑलवेज रिमेन इन टच विद मी. गुड नाइट, सी यू, बाय. सब्सक्राइब करना